Deep in the tropics, another day begins at one of the world's most advanced dried pineapple factories as fresh harvests arrive.
Premium pineapples, hand-harvested at peak ripeness, travel straight from nearby plantations to the factory within hours. Each crate holds carefully selected fruits chosen for their natural sweetness and perfect size. Raw material intake begins with precision unloading to preserve every fruit's freshness. Modern logistics ensure rapid transfer from truck to internal handling systems. Upon arrival, every batch receives rigorous initial quality assessment by our expert team. Accurate weight recording and full traceability codes are assigned to each incoming lot. Defective fruits are diverted early, guaranteeing only the finest pineapples move ahead. Selected pineapples rest briefly in optimal conditions to lock in natural sugars and texture. With raw material arrival complete, these fresh pineapples are now perfectly positioned for the next stage of transformation. Fresh pineapples now enter the dedicated cleaning zone where every surface will be meticulously prepared. Automated high-pressure washing removes dirt, pesticides, and natural debris without damaging the delicate flesh. A precise two-stage rinse ensures complete sanitation while preserving natural flavor and texture. High-velocity air knives rapidly remove surface water, preventing any dilution of the pineapple's natural sugars. Crowns are efficiently removed in a controlled environment to prepare the fruit for further processing. Base and top trimming follows immediately, creating uniform cylinders ready for peeling. State-of-the-art peelers strip the tough rind in one seamless operation, exposing the sweet golden flesh. Cores are extracted and fruits are automatically sized, ensuring uniformity throughout the entire batch. Every pineapple has now been thoroughly cleaned and prepared, locked in peak condition for the next critical steps.
Pre-processing now begins as the prepared fruit enters a dedicated zone engineered for precision transformation.
Automated precision slicers transform each pineapple into consistent rings optimized for even drying. Advanced optical sorting removes any non-conforming pieces to maintain strict dimensional standards. A light citric acid mist is applied to lock in vibrant color and prevent oxidation during the next stages. Controlled sugar infusion begins, drawing out moisture while intensifying the pineapple's signature tropical flavor. Excess syrup drains efficiently, ensuring only the ideal sugar level remains on each ring. Surface moisture is precisely removed to prepare the rings for optimal dehydration performance. Robotic systems arrange every ring in uniform single layers, maximizing airflow for the upcoming drying phase. Every tray is now fully loaded, scanned, and ready with complete digital traceability locked in. With pre-processing complete, these perfectly prepared rings advance directly into the heart of the drying process. The prepared pineapple rings now enter the core processing stage, the heart of the drying operation. Racks are automatically loaded into the multi-zone tunnel dryer for controlled dehydration. Uniform hot air circulation begins removing moisture at carefully calibrated temperatures. Advanced sensors maintain exact temperature and humidity profiles throughout the drying cycle. In the first drying zone, surface moisture evaporates rapidly while preserving the fruit's structure. The process moves into a gentler second zone to slowly reduce internal moisture without case hardening. The rings travel through multiple temperature zones for several hours of precise dehydration. Continuous sampling ensures moisture levels are dropping exactly according to specification.
The pineapple rings gradually develop their signature chewy texture and intensified natural sweetness. As core drying progresses toward completion, the fruit moves into the final controlled stages of dehydration. The dried rings now enter the dedicated cooling chamber to safely bring down temperature and stabilize structure. After precise dehydration, the fruit has developed its signature chewy texture and concentrated tropical sweetness. Core stage verification confirms every ring has reached the exact target moisture content of 18%. Automated tray unloading completes the core dehydration cycle with zero manual handling. Core processing is now complete, delivering perfectly dried pineapple ready for final refinement. Post-processing begins as the cool, dried fruit enters a dedicated finishing zone for refinement. State-of-the-art optical sorting technology removes any remaining imperfections to guarantee premium quality. The dried rings are now expertly cut into convenient snack-sized pieces optimized for consumer enjoyment. A controlled conditioning drum equalizes moisture and prevents any clumping before final handling. Post-processing has now transformed the dried pineapple into uniform, ready-to-package premium product. Final metal detection ensures absolute purity, catching even the smallest foreign particles before further handling. Vibratory grading now calibrates every chunk to exact snack size specifications for consistent consumer experience. Final optical and manual verification removes any last visual imperfections to meet premium standards. Post-processing reaches its conclusion, delivering uniformly textured, flavor-intensified dried pineapple chunks.
The refined product now advances directly into the comprehensive quality control phase. Every batch now undergoes rigorous multi-point quality control to guarantee safety and excellence. Laboratory moisture analysis confirms the exact dehydration level across multiple samples from the batch. Microbiological testing verifies the product meets the highest food safety standards with zero tolerance for contaminants.
Sensory panel evaluation ensures the signature sweet, tangy pineapple taste and ideal chewy texture are perfect. Comprehensive quality control data confirms the batch fully meets all internal and international standards.
Instrumental texture profiling confirms every chunk delivers the ideal, tender, chewy bite consumers expect.
A final 100% visual audit by trained inspectors ensures flawless appearance across the entire lot. Official certificates of analysis are generated and digitally sealed, documenting full compliance. Quality control is now fully complete, releasing this premium batch for immediate packaging. Packaging operations now begin in the dedicated high-speed finishing hall. Automated pouch-forming machines fill each package with a precise, consistent portion of premium dried pineapple. Nitrogen flushing creates an oxygen-free environment that maximizes shelf life and flavor preservation. Hermetic heat sealing and laser coating ensure every pouch is fully traceable and securely protected. Individual pouches are now perfectly sealed and ready for secondary packaging into retail-ready cartons. Automated carton forming now groups the sealed pouches into retail-ready secondary packaging. Cartons are automatically sealed and coated for full supply chain traceability. Automated weight verification confirms every carton meets exact fill specifications. Robotic palletizing creates secure, optimized pallet configurations for efficient transport. Full pallet stretch wrapping and final labeling complete the packaging process for this batch. Completed pallets now enter the finished goods warehouse for organized storage and distribution. ASRS systems automatically store the pallets in optimal temperature-controlled locations.
Order picking systems now consolidate pallets for scheduled outbound shipments.
Final dispatch checks and temperature verification prepare each truck for safe departure. Distribution begins as climate-controlled trucks depart the factory, bound for regional hubs across the country. Satellite-monitored logistics keep every pallet at perfect temperature during the long-haul journey. Pallets reach the national distribution hub for seamless transfer into the final mile network. Advanced warehouse systems break down factory pallets and reconfigure them for specific retail orders. Local delivery vans now carry the premium dried pineapple toward retail partners and direct customers.
Fresh from the distribution network, the dried pineapple arrives directly at leading retail locations.
Retail receiving teams verify and log every carton to ensure perfect traceability upon arrival. The product is expertly merchandised, ready to catch the eye of health-conscious shoppers.
From factory to cart, the journey ends as customers take home this premium tropical treat.
From raw pineapples to your hands, every step was engineered for perfection.